Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Adam Baker with your weekly webinar from the National Weather Service in Peachtree City. The main highlights are that the active weather pattern continues and we are focusing on the next main storm system impacting our area tonight through Friday morning. With this, we are looking at possible wintry precipitation in the far north for the onset tonight, then also a lesser chance for on the backside of the system late Thursday and early Friday. Severe storms are possible mainly in central Georgia on Thursday, while area-wide we are looking at some heavy rainfall and flooding threats. Following this, it should be at least a rather quiet weekend and then another system, though weaker, for early next week. As of around 12:30 this afternoon, you can see that based on the radar and satellite image, Georgia sticks out as nice and mostly clear. Most of the precip is still well west of the area. This should all change, however, as the storm system tracks further eastward, and by tonight into Thursday morning, some lingering cooler temperatures in the far north could have some sleet and freezing rain with the onset of the system. Then by Thursday afternoon and evening, the storm chances ramp up in parts of the south, and as the system then exits to the east on Thursday night into Friday morning, there could be a brief transition to light snow in the far north, but we're not expecting as much of an impact. Here's a snapshot of one model solution tonight, where you can see the potential for light freezing rain in the pink shade across the northern higher elevations, and also some mix with sleet possibly in the northwest with that darker blue. We have actually expanded our winter weather advisory accordingly for the potential of up to 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain in both the northeast and the northwest ridgelines, along with up to an inch of sleet possible also in the northwest. Temperatures should warm to above freezing later Thursday morning, so any accumulation should melt by then. Here's a look at our updated forecast sleet totals on the left for the northwest, and then freezing rain ice totals for both the northwest and northeast on the right. Then we should transition to the increasing severe storm threat, ramping up by the afternoon and evening in central Georgia, primarily along and south of a Columbus to Macon to Sandersville line. We are included in a slight and marginal risk, with the main threats being damaging winds, isolated brief tornadoes, and locally heavy rain. We cannot rule out some strong to severe storms earlier in the morning, but the greatest threat should be later in the day. The heavy rain threat actually extends across the majority of north and central Georgia. With 1.5 to 2.5 inches forecast and locally higher possible, we will be issuing a flash flood watch area-wide through Friday morning. We could see not just isolated flash flooding, but also minor river flooding. Then on the backside of the system, as it exits Thursday night into early Friday, there is a slight chance for a brief transition to light snow in the far north. At this time, we are expecting little to no accumulation. The good news is that we should have a relatively quiet weekend on tap while we get through the end of this system. It should be dry and mostly sunny both Saturday and Sunday. Highs will generally be in the upper 40s to low 50s Saturday, and then a bit warmer on Sunday. The next feature of interest shifts to late Sunday and Monday with another disturbance, though this looks to be weaker and of less impact to the area. Overall, we should have increased rain chances, and we cannot rule out a rain-snow mix in the far northeast for Monday morning. Here's again the summary of the main points. And please reach out to us with any questions or concerns. Thanks for viewing our webinar.